Abdul Carter, Brian Burns, Kayvon Thibodeau, and now Arvell Reese. What is a defense with that many players capable of doing?
Winning.
Abdul Carter showing off the versatility by Brian Burns.
Kayvon Thibodeau again. Arvell Reese.